Hello guys, welcome back. You are watching the money drop. So over here right now guys is my payment of $49. Okay, so I received this $49.9 today, being the 19th of November, from a free site that will pay you free USDT every 10 seconds and also every 5 minutes. Okay, so if you want to see how the site really works guys, you have to watch to the end and do not skip any part of this video. For new viewers, this is a money airdrop, and here guys I make videos every single day on how to make money online with cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you want to see more videos or daily videos on how to make money online with cryptocurrency and airdrops, just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, also make sure that the notification bell is turned on. This way, whenever I post new videos here now, YouTube is going to send you a notification by itself instantly. Okay, so now let me show you how you can start claiming the free USDT and getting paid, and how I also made nearly $50 from this site today. Stay tuned. Now head over to your YouTube search bar and search for Stanzo. Alright, so this my guy's channel here would appear, and you have to go ahead and visit his channel. Okay, you'll also be getting the link to his channel now in this video's description box. Okay, so click on the link and come over here now and click on subscribe, then click on this bell notification icon here and click on all. Alright, so once you have done that, go down to the comment section right now and you write a nice comment with the giveaway code subscribed. Okay, so the first 50 persons to do this now, I'll be sending them 50 cents each by today or tomorrow. Okay, also make sure that you add your USDT BEP20 address to your YouTube account so that it will be more easier for me to copy your address and send you your payment. Okay, so good luck guys, and watch to the end. Hello guys, welcome back. You are watching the money drop. So in this video guys, I am going to show you how to easily claim some free USDT every 5 minutes and also every 10 seconds using this site here now with the name Coinbase. Alright, so Coinbase is actually a free USDT earning site where you can also earn yourself some free BTC and other cryptocurrencies depending on the one that you actually want to earn. Okay, because you can earn USDT and withdraw via BTC, TRX, Dogecoin and others. Okay, so now you get the link to sign up now in this video's description box, and once you click on the link, you have to enter your name, username, email address and password, and do not forget to verify your email address. Okay, because if you don't, you'll not be able to withdraw. Okay, so once I've done that guys, you'll be taken here to your account dashboard, and you can see here that as for me now, I have over $86 right here now in my account, and I'm going to be withdrawing some in this video. Okay guys, so now the next thing you have to do here now, if you want to start earning here now, is that you have to click on this button here. Okay, so later in this video I'm going to withdraw this my money. Okay, so please be sure to watch to the end because I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, so now they have many ways which you can earn here. You can earn here using their daily bonus option, faucets, offer wars, PTC, short links, mining, games and others. Okay, so we are going to focus on this faucet. Okay, so to make use of the faucet, click on faucet over here now. Once you click on faucet, you'll be taken to this web page, and you can see here now that you'll be getting a reward of 50 coins per faucet to claim here. Okay, so an ad just appeared. Okay, so now let's go back to the faucet site again. So now these 50 coins here, you can claim it. Okay, so it only has about 2 seconds left. So now what you have to do here now is to come down here and click on collect your reward. Once you click on collect your reward, you have to solve a captcha here. This one says that we should select the upside down picture, so this happens to be the upside down picture here now. All right, then it says here that please click on the anti-bot links in the following order. So the first one here says 3, 1 and 7. All right, so once I'm done with that, click on this claim button right here now, and let's see what I made. You can see here that it says 50 coins has been added to your balance, so click on OK now. So now you can come back and do this every 5 minutes, and this is unlimited. Okay, so that's the number one where you can actually make some free coins here. Okay, so you can also make some free coins here now by completing offers, visiting site. Okay, so now let's visit site and let's get paid. Okay, so click on PTC and you can see here now that they have over 400 coins here, which you can earn here by visiting these 19 available ads. Okay, so now to start, come down here, you see here that this one here now is willing to pay us 40 coins to visit and stay on their site for just 20 seconds. Okay, this one right here now is willing to pay us 20 coins to visit and stay on their site for 10 seconds. This one right here now is willing to pay us about 20 coins just for us to visit and stay on their site for 10 seconds. Okay, same thing with this one down here, it is willing to pay us 20 coins just to visit and stay on their site for 10 seconds. Okay, so now let's visit this one here now, which is willing to pay us about 40. Okay, so now to visit the site, click on view, and once you click on view, you'll be taken to the advertiser's website. Here you can see here that the timer here is already counting down. Okay, so we are going to stay here for 20 seconds, and after that I'll show you guys the next thing you have to do here to be able to get your 40 coins sent to your Coinbase account. All right, let's wait. Okay, so the timer is done, and now we have to select the upside down picture, which happens to be this one right here. Okay, the next thing here now is to click verify. You'll be taken to the advertisers page again, and you have to click on the back button, and you see here that it says a good job, 40 coins has been added to your account balance. Okay, so now I will click OK, and if I check my new account balance, you can see here that I now have about 8,785,102 coins. Okay, so that's what I now have in my account. Okay, so they still have more sites here now willing to pay us. Okay, so let's also visit this one here now, which would pay us about 20 coins to visit their site and stay there for 10 seconds. Okay, so now let's click on view. Once I click on view, I'll be taken to the advertisers page, and I'm just going to spend 10 seconds here. Okay, it is almost done, and now we are going to complete some captures here by selecting the upside down picture, which happens to be this one right here now. Okay, now then click verify, then click on back button because you'll be taken to the advertisers page. Okay, let me take screenshot of this site, so I'll go through it later and see if it might be needful. So click on the back button. You see here now that another 20 coins has been sent to my account balance for visiting that site. Okay, so now let's click on OK, and my new account balance has just increased. Okay, so guys, that is how you earn here. Okay, and they still have about 17 sites here waiting for us to visit their site and get paid. Okay, so now you can also earn here now by visiting short links. Okay, so click on short links button here. I'll be taken to this page. So this one here now would actually pay you a lot. Okay, but visiting short links might be tricky sometimes. Okay, so they have about 39 sites here now willing to pay us over 3,000 coins just to pass their short links. Okay, so the first one here is willing to pay us about 150 coins. Second one here is willing to pay us about 125. Third one here is willing to pay us about 110, and a whole lot. Okay, in case you are good at visiting short links, you can make a whole lot of money out of this site. Not that a whole lot, but reasonable amount of money. Okay, so now guys, I guess it is time to withdraw, and let's see if the site is still paying or not. Okay, so now to withdraw, come over here and then click on this withdraw button here. Once you click on withdraw, you have to first of all select the payment method. Minimum amount to withdraw here to faucet pay, guys, is about 1,000 coins. Okay, so this is faucet pay, and by the way, you can withdraw to faucet pay, Payeer, BSC, Coinbase, and your direct wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to be going for faucet pay because it is instant. Okay, so the next thing here now is to select the currency for the payment. Okay, so I'll be selecting USDT 20 here. All right, and you can see here now that, like I said, the minimum amount to faucet pay is about 1,000 coins. Okay, so now I'm not going to be withdrawing everything. I'm just going to withdraw $50. Okay, that will be equivalent to 5 million coins, and here it is. Okay, you can see here that I'm about to withdraw 5 million coins, and it is equivalent to $50. Okay, so now let's head over to my faucet pay account, guys, and I'm getting my wallet address there, and I'm also going to show you guys the current amount of USDT that I have in my faucet pay. Okay, so currently I have about $148 right here now. Okay, so now let's click on deposit and let's get my address. All right, so this is my address, this is my USDT address, so I'm just going to click this button right here now to copy it out. Okay, and let's go back to the site, and I'll be dropping the wallet address right here right now. Okay, and this is it. I'm just going to click withdraw. This is the payment confirmation page, and I'm just going to click confirm, and they have no fee for this operation. Okay, you can see that it says 5 million coins has been sent to your account. This shows that their payment is still automatic. Okay, so now let's head on back to my Faucet Pay account, and I'm just going to visit my my dashboard again by clicking overview, and now let's check if they actually sent the payment. Okay, and you can see here now that I now have about $298 right here now in my account, which shows you that the site is paying and it is 100% legit. Okay, so now that we have confirmed that the site is paying, guys, it is now left for you to go ahead and sign up now and start getting paid. Okay, so this is what they actually sent, because I thought we are not going to take any charges, but you can see here that they took about 10 cents, okay, of the payment as their payment charge. Okay, but at least you have seen the payment here now that shows that the site is paying. Okay, so it is now left for you to sign up right away and start getting paid. Just to visit site and complete some offers. Okay, so that is how the site works. You have to hurry up now, guys, and sign up and start getting paid. Okay, if I head on back to my account, you can see here now that I now have $36 worth of cryptos right here now. Okay, so hurry up now, guys, and sign up now and start getting paid to visit site. Okay, it is free and it requires no single investment, no mining, and also no referrals, with a low minimum withdrawal of 1,000 coins to Faucet Pay. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, all guys, and God bless. Peace out.